So a couple of days ago, day before yesterday, I said in my video that I was going to have a bit of a rest from YouTube, take a couple of days off. I'm already making another video again. But it's kind of a necessity. I had this pile of posts turn up yesterday, and it's all stuff that I want to open on camera. So if I don't make a video, it's just going to get bigger and bigger and sit here in my living room. Well, it's kind of in the way. You might be able to guess what's in here. I'm saving this one till last, for good reason. Oh, this is a stem for a mountain bike, and this is a seat post for a mountain bike. I wonder why. To be continued. What? As some of you already know, I'm very lucky to be sponsored by Met Helmets. They've made me some custom helmets, colour matched to my road bike. And it's not just the Trenta either. Look at that! And they've given me spares if I crash them, which I almost definitely will. Met, thank you so much for these. That's awesome. Now, last package I'm gonna open in a minute. About a week ago, I did a competition on this channel to win one of these GoPro mounts. It looks ridiculous. Best GoPro footage ever if you use one of these because your head is super smooth like a Nature's gimbal. The company that make these and the guy that runs it called Ken let me do a competition and give away 12 of these. So today I'm going to be choosing those 12 winners, put them in a pinned comment down below and maybe in the description as well. We'll find a way of contacting you and sending you out one of these. But you actually have the choice of one of these and something else. This is actually a world first. This is actually a world second. This is actually a world third. This is actually a world fourth. They won't be shipped in this much packaging. By popular demand, he's done a black version. I know Dustin Klein actually plastic dipped, he did something to his to make it black. Ken obviously quite liked that, and yeah, here it is. This one was actually shipped straight to me from the factory, so Ken, who runs Pro Standard, hasn't actually seen this. That's what they look like. So the black one's a little bit less garish. I've heat molded this one to my teeth. You can do that to yours as well, it only takes 30 seconds. So yeah, check out that description down below if you entered the competition and want to see if you won. There's 12 winners, so pretty good chances. Well, so much for not filming today. I figured today's video is going to end up a bit short, but I wanted to make one anyway. Might as well do some riding. Time for a proper bike ride. In cycling kit. I've only been doing t-shirt rides for the last 2 weeks. Good colour combo. Backed by popular demand.
Hey.
Wait, let me just zoom in.
Can you see my head now?
You see, you ask for Lucy, you get Lucy. People want Pickle, and we're gonna get Pickle, but he's taking his time. Is he lost or late? Yeah, he's meeting us here.
Kingston Bridge is kind of vague. It's a big bridge.
It's a big bridge. I haven't seen you in a long time.
I know, it's been ages.
You're a YouTube celebrity now.
I don't know about that. I don't know.
I like to think I had you on my channel first.
Paved the way.
Yeah, I paved the way.
Yeah, get in touch if you want to make any bookings.
Hey, what's up?
What do you think of my kit?
You actually look like a cyclist now.
Thank you.
Halfway there, except for
this
the
guy
legs.
was giving me so much crap for wearing a t-shirt the other day.
Yeah, but look at
I
those
had
legs.
hairy legs. Yeah.
I mean, are you trying to be Peter Sagan? He did. I think he's.
No, I'm joking. Don't actually zoom in a couple days.
Francis, that's you're spiky.
Yeah. It's causes turbulence because it's faster in the wind.
It matches his really thick, wide tyres. It's like the new.
Beer trimmer. You should just use beer trimmer.
What's with all this judging? Can we just ride?
My razor.
There's no judgment. Don't be afraid.
Is he alright?
Yeah. He's like, my parents are way over there. I was like, oh, that fills me with confidence.
You should probably go way.
I was like, are you going to find them?
Some little boy had like the gnarliest scooter wipeout we've ever seen. It's probably the only scooter wipeout I've ever seen, to be fair.
And then he got up and he was just like, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Shut up as well, and you just like checked himself. He's like, no, I'm fine.
he literally took it on the chin.
He's not even talking about
I said
it
that and then no one heard. I was like, I'm going to say it again because I feel like people need to
It's such a good joke.
You know, his mom's going to be absolutely mortified when he tells his,
Well, I
like
did
when she
say-
overhears what's happened.
I was like, are you going to tell your mum? And he's like,
Maybe she's a viewer.
Who used to do that?
Froome.
Froomey! There you go. Think of it.
Hey,
What?
we've got to come up with a new nickname for Lucy. Because
new
it's,
nickname.
it's 2020 now, and Lucy Tiny Head isn't really PC.
No. Why are you putting this on me?
Well, I just need your input. I don't know.
Oh, there's a
I
pickles
couldn't think of anything.
Well, I think seeing as though I'm pickle, everyone else should be like named after some sort of vegetable. We should keep going with the vegetable theme. I'm pickle P.
I don't know.
We thought your name would be a vegetable-based one as well.
But I like pickles.
You can't take pickle if there's already a pickle.
I'm going to have
what
a
about
peanut.
us?
Peanut.
It's not
So me and Daisy aren't anything.
yet.
What would your nicknames like to be?
Aubergine.
Should we? Who? Aubergine.
My favourite vegetable is an asparagus.
It's not a very good nickname, is
But
it?
it doesn't roll.
Gus.
Comments down below with your suggestions for Lucy's nickname because we haven't come up with anything, unfortunately.
This is going to be really awkward, but what is your real name?
Pickle. That's an awfully scary parrot. Pigeon.
That is the end of today's video. That shouldn't have been a video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.